Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and we are professional home organizers here in the Twin Cities. So today I'm just going to talk about the 5-minute reset and the power of the 5-minute reset. I'm a huge fan of taking a very small project and just getting it completed from start to finish and then calling it a day. I have small kids and I of course run this company, so we're very low on time. So I like to take small chunks instead of thinking I need an entire day to do an organizing project. I like to do it small piece by small piece. A great example of that is a junk drawer. So currently I probably have 5 minutes worth of work to do in my junk drawer. I need to take everything out. I've got things that need to go here, there, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere, right? I just need to make those trips, get it done, and then declutter, get the things out that I no longer need in there, and then reset the things that I do need to see on a daily and weekly basis. So when I open up that junk drawer, I can see exactly what's in there. In my head, this is a 5-minute, maybe 10-minute task, but I like to set a timer. I like to put my favorite music on, and I like to just have a few minutes to just jam out, finish that one little area, and check it off my list. And then I slowly kind of work through my house when I have, an extra 5-10 minutes. That's my favorite way to organize. So if that resonates with you, I would encourage you to try that out this week. Give yourself a 5-minute reset, see how it feels, and then check one thing off your list. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.